Hello, Paul. My name is Mr. Excello. I have arrived at Mr. Hutchison's engineering department. Thanks to Andy and Jason, we pulled this guy off. This little fellow helps out. Mr. Excello's trunk? Don't know. So the machines fit in here. Let's sort of walk around, Paul. They got the lights out here. That is the grinding machine. This is the little gym here. Moving along. Here's a table for that drilling machine. That will go in the other shop. And let's see, got that guy. This fellow going in the other shop. So we have more to come. Just doing it. Sorry, this is going to be multi-videos. Confusing, but fun. We brought them in from here into this room. Concrete floor. Let's see. It's the main machine shop. So these two drill presses are going to go. I put the real good one in here. Smithy tools over here. Vitamins all over the place. So the closing milling machine will go in here or here. Drilling machine here. Still a lot of work to do to get it all organized, but it shall be fun. Oh, I wonder what this is. Cannon parts. And more cannon parts. Alright. A big hunk of drill. The man's drill. That's quite a drill, alright.